How y'all doing? I'm Big Al, and welcome back to my garage. Today, we're going to be tackling something that's been on my to-do list for a while. We are going to repair the windshield on my 2016 Toyota Camry. Got this RainX Kit right here. Let's get ready to wrench. Now, as you can see, we've got this nice little crack here in my windshield. Got hit by a rock a while ago. Haven't gotten around to fixing it. So let's see what this RainX Kit's all about. Alrighty. So, I know I could just easily call up Safelite and have them fix this. Bill my insurance, but that's no fun, right? Now, let's get this out and make a mess and see what it's all about. Instructions are actually inside the package. Chips, bullseyes, and stars. Whoops. Might need that. Step 1, remove loose glass fragments, but scraping it with a razor blade. Affix the applicator base to the windshield. Make sure center ring is above the crack brake. Suction cups are firmly attached to the windshield. Okay. Do that, shall we? Okay, so let's put these suction cup thingamajobber on here. That's the first. Let's see if I can get at it from this angle. Not get in front of the camera. Perfect. Boom. All right. Step the second. Screw the resin chamber into the center of the ring. That's this guy here for you keeping score at home. The outer screwy inny part and the inner screwy inny part. Let's see. It should touch the windshield. Screw is touching the impact point. Check the alignment inside the car. Good thing I have my keys on me. I missed the mark a little bit. As you can see, it really needs to be right over that Y. That's easily fixed. Okay. There we go. Step the 5th, we remove the pressure driver. That's this inner screwy inny thing. The car is hot. This goes in here for now. That's step 5. I'm about a 45-degree angle. Okay, wait a minute. I'm missing steps here. Oh, wait. Step 3 is I put that thing in, then I put 3 to 6 drops of the... Okay, so you put this thing in, then you put this resin in there. 3 to 6 drops, depending on the extent of the damage, into the resin chamber. Then we put the inner thing back on. Okay, 3 to 6 drops. Split the difference and go with 4. Now let's do 5. 1 for good measure. Let's top back on. Now we screw this pressure driver in.
A few moments later.
Gummit. It did spread. Fudge. Now I'm going to have to call Safelite. We're not done yet. We have to do some touch-up and apply the curing strip. You have to apply the resin to these cracks that I just created. Like Just so. Now we have to put one of these on. These curing strips on. Two of them actually. And then it's got to cure in the direct sunlight. Car's already in the sunlight. It's hot as all Hades out here. We'll come back and scrape off the excess resin in a bit. See how it looks inside the car. Repair is hardly a success. That stinks. Guess I'm calling Safelite. Well, it's been a couple hours and the crack has spread. It's now over a foot long. So, epic fail on my part. I'm going to show you the best tool for fixing your windshield. It's right here. It's your phone. I am going to go and file a claim with my insurance company, because I have full glass coverage, and get this thing fixed. No cost. Well, okay, it will cost me in the form of increased insurance premiums, but you get the gist of it. There's that app. Well, you get the idea. There it is. Anyway, that is it for today. Hopefully my next video will be a bit more successful. Hope you'll please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next installment.